Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stop by and watching this video. Now let's start our video. और इस वीडियो में जो भी मटेरियल चाहिए वो मैंने वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दिया है, आप वहां से चेक कर सकते हैं। अगर आप मेरी चैनल को फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन with all notification. Here I am going to recycle my old mug. If you are using new mug, then you can skip this step of applying acrylic color and gesso all over the mug. If your mug is new or it having a plain background, then you can directly start with the clay part. You don't need to apply acrylic color all over the mug if you are using new one. By doing this, I am hiding my old design on mug and I will get the completely new look of my mug. Draw your desired design on paper so that you can get the approximate idea of the desired design size on mug. After cutting the design, just put it on mug and draw the desired design so that you can get the exact idea that where you need to put the clay on mug. Here I am using air dry clay. Mix the equal portion of both the paste which comes into the bag. After smoothing the paste, just try to give a proper shape with your hands. Keep trying until you get the perfect shape of your desired design. Believe me, it's very easy and it's very fun to do activity. You can use white glue, Fevibond or super glue to attach this clay to the mug. Here I am trying to give some texture. You can do it with any sharpen things which you have. Just after the gap of 15 to 20 minutes, you can start applying your colors on the clay. This kind of mug can be used only for the decorative purpose. I hope you like this video. Do let me know how much you like it by commenting in comment section. Hey friends, जाने से पहले do not forget to check out our other amazing top videos.